The Redmi Note 10s has a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection. You get a peak brightness of 1100 nits and good viewing angles. Text and content were legible under sunlight. You can also adjust the color temperature of the display to suit your needs. The frame of the Redmi Note 10s is made out of plastic. It's a relatively slim smartphone measuring 8.29 mm and it weighs 179 grams. It's comfortable to hold and the camera module on the left of the rear doesn't protrude much. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner doubles up as the power button. It's easy to reach and quick to unlock the smartphone. The Redmi Note 10s has stereo speakers on the top and bottom. An IR emitter, commonly seen on Xiaomi smartphones, is at the top along with the secondary microphone. The USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack are at the bottom. You get IP53 dust and water resistance on the Redmi Note 10s. You'll also see a rubber flange around the SIM tray to help prevent water from entering the device. The Redmi Note 10s packs in a MediaTek Helio G95 processor paired with 6GB of RAM, and you get to choose between 64GB and 128GB of storage, which you can expand further using a microSD card. Performance is good and the Redmi Note 10s did not show any signs of slowing down during the review period. Multitasking is also quite easy. Call of Duty Mobile ran fine without any issue. It defaulted to the high preset for graphics and ran without any drop in performance. The Redmi Note 10s sports a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has a 13MP shooter.